Welcome to the Tasty Affairs. Today we are going to do a snack item. This is known as goli bhaji, or I would like to call it as a spicy donut because the mixture or the ingredient for both are same except that we are going to add some chilies and curry leaves and etc etc etc. So let's get started. So in here I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour. So this is my cup measurement. So 2 cups of all-purpose flour is there, and we need yogurt for this recipe. So I'm going to put 1 cup of yogurt. So this is half a cup measure. So I'm putting, this is little more than half a cup. So I'm going to add a little more. So we exactly need only 1 cup of yogurt. So I hope this makes a cup of yogurt. Then, so we need sugar now. So I'm going to put 3 tablespoons of sugar. So this recipe needs sugar. So that's why I said, it's quite similar to donuts. So second, and I think I am going to put 1 more. So it's like close to 3 tablespoons of sugar. So this is brown sugar. You can put white sugar, that's fine. And some salt, say around a teaspoon of salt. Then goes, I have 2 small green chilies which I have, chopped. So I'm going to put that. And I have some curry leaves chopped. That also goes in. Then I need a little bit of, asafoetida or hing powder. So, just put it roughly a little bit. This is just for the flavoring part. That goes in. So this is a half teaspoon measure. So I'm putting half teaspoon of baking powder. Followed by, this is my, a special ingredient which I have seen very effective in making this snack. I'm going to add a half cup of soda. Any plain soda is fine. And then we are going to mix the whole thing nicely. And then we have to keep this aside for say 30 to, 1 hour is best, but if 30 minutes is okay. You have to let this dough rest for 30 minutes. And if you think it is very tight, it is, there is no much, water, you feel like adding water. At that point, instead of adding water, you can add a little bit more yogurt. So then keep it aside. As I said, this should be the consistency of the batter. So you can either add a little more yogurt or, a little bit of water. That's both fine. So check your salt. There's you should feel a little salt in this batter. That's how it has to be, and little sugary, there has to be more sugar. And if you want, the last thing, this is optional. If you still think you need some pepper powder, I'm just crushing a little bit. Quite optional, not needed as we have green chilies inside. So then we're going to mix this. So you can see the batter consistency. So this is how it has to be. So and I'm going to keep this, close and keep this for 30 to 1 hour. 30 minutes to 1 hour. So it was resting for the last 40-45 minutes. So I just checked the salt and sugar level. So I just added a, half a teaspoon of salt, extra salt. And one thing that I have to tell you, there are a lot of people who won't like this too much of sugar. You can reduce or cut down 1 tablespoon of sugar. That is also absolutely fine. So adjust everything that you have to put at this time. And I have kept oil ready here for frying. So we'll fry our goli bhajis now. Goli bhajis. So I'm putting, now just take it. If you don't know to put it with your hand, just use a spoon, that is also fine. So you just need to drop it, take it, drop it, take it, drop it. So this is how I'm going to fry all our goli bhajis. See, our goli bhajis are looking ready to take. So they should have a nice, golden color, outside. So it'll be like crunchy, a little crunchy in the outside, very soft on the inside. So see, might be another minute and I think we should be ready to take them out. You can see them here. So look at them. See, they look lovely. Our goli bhajis are ready. So you can see they have a nice golden color outside. and they are very soft from the inside. See, they are very soft from the inside. It's a wonderful evening snack. You can enjoy it with a cup of tea. So do try it out and let me know in comments how it was. And do keep watching The Tasty Affairs and please subscribe. Thank you.